In front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by launching Clock app that's already on your device and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now, before doing anything, most people miss that you should click on this gear at the top right corner and adjust all of those alarm options however you want to, like key press settings. When you're done with all of those, go back and use this plus to create new alarm. Then set up an hour and adjust it here however you want to as well. Pick one of those repeat options, once, weekdays, or custom. If you decided to select custom, pick days of the week manually and save them by hitting save. Then choose snooze. Decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat, or click on this switcher next to it to turn it off or switch it on. Go back, tap on alarm tone, and hit music to pick any song from your smartphone, then hit OK to set it up, or click on one of those tones and tap OK as well. Let's go with jump. Now you can click on this switcher next to vibrate when ringing to disable or enable it. And last but not least, hit label to type in whatever you want to and hit OK. To save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it on or off, use this switcher right next to it and pick one of those options, in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, manage all of those options again and click on the check mark to save your changes. To get rid of it though, you need to hold it and tap on delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!